Well, hello, friends. It's Running Kimono, and a lot of you have been sending me messages about this. So I wanted to just put this video out as a be on the lookout for this clearance toilet paper for $2.49. So it's 75% off at a price point of $9.99, which is a killer price point. So it is both this purple one, and then they also have the 12 pack in a blue packaging. So it's those two. In certain markets, it's 75% off. And I'm just going to explain how clearance works. It's always a your mileage may vary, which means it's not at every store, but sometimes it lines up where it's happening at many stores. And if you can track this down, it would be absolutely fantastic. So again, guys, usually when clearance starts, it's Saturday afternoon when it changes in the system, or it's on Tuesday. So in some markets where it happened yesterday, a lot of people are messaging me saying, oh my gosh, look at this. What you have to do is grab either a bag of the blue or the purple, the one I just showed you. Bring it to the front, ask a cashier to scan it, and then they'll let you know how much it costs. And that's how you'll find out. You can't use the app to figure out, scanning it at home or in the store. You have to get it to the cashier to scan it physically. And sometimes if you have your store card in there, or it just comes up a different cost as well. I've had that happen to me last week, which was weird. So don't be shy to ask for that too. And they sometimes have a zebra gun too that's quite accurate. So again, your mileage may vary. Sometimes what's happening clearance-wise here in Michigan is happening in Texas, but then it might happen sooner in like a state like Maine. So just be really, really mindful of this and don't get angry if you can't track it down. But obviously on Saturday afternoon, if you're near a Walgreens, you might want to go grab a bag and get a cashier to scan it, because this stuff will go very, very quickly, because we never see toilet paper at this cost because it's outrageously cheap, which I love to see. Okay, guys, so if you might have this insert, it is from the Smart Source of April the 11th, and it's $1 off. This is valid till May the 8th, so you have a couple of weeks to play with this one, but you would need one of these to utilize it. And yes, you can use coupons on clearance merchandise. Hopefully your store isn't saying stuff like that to you. So grabbing one of these on clearance for $2.49, subtracting one of those coupons, you're paying $1.49. Throw in some Walgreens cash and you're saying, eek, because it's such a fantastic deal, and I would be so delighted with this. I mean, this is just a killer deal. And if you're finding a couple in the store, obviously ask the cashier if you can grab more than one. Some stores still have limits. It's some goofy stuff, but I would ask, like, hey, could I grab all of your clearance stuff? And usually when stuff hits clearance, they don't really have, rules on that, but because this is a paper product, they might. So just ask, it might be the smarter thing to do. Now, if you might have one of these goofy store coupons, if you look at the top, it says store coupon, even though it looks like a register reward, so it should say manufacturer coupon. This one's a little bit tricky, but yet we can utilize it with clearance merchandise. So this would be absolutely fantastic to use if you can find more than one of these, because this would work perfectly. So say you have no coupons from like the April 11th insert, you can use this guy. So grabbing two of them, that's $4.98. Use that $4 store coupon. You're paying 98 cents plus tax. And if you don't have one of these, if you want to use $4 of Walgreens cash, if you might have it in your account, you can also do that. And I would absolutely ask super nicely to the staff, if you find say 5 in a store, say, hey, could I grab all of these? And I would buy them all, because this is a very good quality toilet paper, especially if you love Cottonelle. Now, just jumping into next week, just looking into the future. You remember a couple weeks back, I made a video about how Kimberly-Clark, the parent company of Cottonelle, Viva, these good products, they said they were going to be increasing their prices by just, between 1% to 9%, or Walgreens would assume the cost, which that wasn't going to happen. Looking at the ad for the 25th to May the 1st, typically when this stuff is on sale, it's $5.99. 51-cent increase, so they increased it by 9%. So I'm already seeing that, and if you've been with me for a really long time, you probably follow these numbers just like myself. Whenever it's on sale, it's $5.99, not this price point. So I already see the prices increasing, and I think you guys will understand what I'm saying, because this is always classically a $5.99 when this guy is on sale. So for a lot of us, we're going to have to put the brakes on fancy and just go with the meat and potatoes Scott because it might be a better price point. And there's still an IVC for this month and next month to work with that one. So as always, guys, keep your eyes peeled for this deal. I mean, it's absolutely fantastic. And if you can track it down Saturday afternoonish or go in right now and ask the cashiers to scan one bag for you and smile and be super, super nice, and you might track some down. So good luck with this one, guys. Bye.